Dates, often regarded as nature's candy, are not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits that can significantly impact long-standing health issues. These nutrient-dense fruits are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a powerhouse for overall well-being. Incorporating dates into your diet can help manage conditions such as heart disease, digestive disorders, and even diabetes, thanks to their high fiber content and natural sugars that provide sustained energy. As we delve into the various benefits of dates, it becomes clear that these small fruits can play a crucial role in enhancing your health. By highlighting their miraculous properties, we aim to engage you in understanding why adding dates to your daily meals is not just a tasty choice, but a smart one for your long-term health. Join us as we explore the incredible advantages of consuming dates and how they can transform your wellness journey. Dates are not only a delicious snack, but also a powerful ally for brain health. Their natural sugars provide a quick source of energy, fueling brain performance and enhancing cognitive function. Rich in essential nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, dates support neurotransmitter function, which is vital for memory and learning. Additionally, dates are packed with antioxidants that play a protective role against degenerative brain disorders, such as Alzheimer's and dementia. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage brain cells over time. Regular consumption of dates may lead to improved cognitive abilities, sharper memory, and overall mental clarity. By incorporating dates into your diet, you not only enjoy their sweet flavor, but also invest in your brain health, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to boost their cognitive performance and protect their brain from age-related decline. Dates offer remarkable cardiovascular benefits that can significantly enhance heart health. One of the key factors is their high potassium and magnesium content, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and proper heart function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions, while magnesium supports the heart's electrical activity. Regular consumption of dates has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke and heart diseases, as they help lower cholesterol levels and improve overall circulation. Additionally, dates are rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in preventing arterial plaque formation. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting blood vessels from damage and promoting better heart health. By incorporating dates into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious treat while actively supporting your cardiovascular system, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their heart health and reduce disease risk. Dates are a fantastic addition to your diet when it comes to supporting bone health, thanks to their rich content of essential minerals. They are particularly high in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which play a vital role in strengthening bones and maintaining their density. Regular consumption of dates can help prevent bone-related disorders such as osteoporosis, especially in older adults, by providing the necessary nutrients to support bone structure and resilience. Incorporating dates into your meals is both delicious and easy. You can add them to smoothies for a natural sweetness, chop them into salads for a chewy texture, or blend them into energy bars for a nutritious snack. Additionally, dates can be stuffed with nuts or cheese for a delightful appetizer. By enjoying dates regularly, you not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also take proactive steps toward maintaining strong and healthy bones. Dates are a powerhouse for digestive health, primarily due to their high fiber content, which promotes healthy digestion and regularity. Fiber aids in adding bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass and helping to prevent constipation. Additionally, dates possess prebiotic properties that support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, fostering a balanced microbiome essential for optimal digestive function. This prebiotic effect can enhance nutrient absorption and improve overall gut health. Moreover, dates can be particularly soothing for those suffering from digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, as their natural sweetness and fiber can help alleviate symptoms and promote a more comfortable digestive process. Incorporating dates into your diet can be simple and enjoyable. Whether added to smoothies, oatmeal, or enjoyed as a snack, They provide a delicious way to support your digestive system and enhance your overall well-being. Dates are incredibly beneficial for the nervous system, primarily due to their rich content of potassium and sodium, two essential minerals that play a crucial role in nerve function. Potassium helps regulate nerve signals, ensuring efficient communication between nerve cells, while sodium is vital for maintaining fluid balance and transmitting electrical impulses. Regular consumption of dates can enhance brain activity and support the health of nerve cells, promoting cognitive function and mental clarity. The natural sugars in dates provide a quick energy source for the brain, further boosting its performance. Additionally, the antioxidants found in dates help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, contributing to overall nerve health. By incorporating dates into your diet, you can improve the efficiency of your nervous system, ensuring that your body responds effectively to stimuli and maintains optimal brain function, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to support their neurological well-being. Consuming dates offers remarkable benefits for skin health, primarily due to their rich vitamin content, including vitamins A, C, and B complex. These vitamins play a vital role in promoting skin elasticity and smoothness, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Vitamin C in particular aids in collagen production, which is essential for skin firmness and resilience. Additionally, dates possess anti-aging properties, as their antioxidants combat free radicals that contribute to skin aging, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Beyond dietary benefits, dates can also be incorporated into skincare treatments. For instance, date paste can be used as a natural exfoliant or face mask, providing hydration and nourishment. By including dates in your diet and skincare routine, you can enhance your skin's health, achieving a radiant and youthful glow while enjoying their delicious flavor. Dates are a valuable addition to your diet when it comes to supporting liver health, primarily due to their high antioxidant content. These antioxidants, including flavonoids and carotenoids, help protect liver cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall liver function. Furthermore, dates play a significant role in enhancing liver detoxification processes, aiding the body in eliminating toxins and harmful substances more efficiently. This detoxifying effect can contribute to improved liver health and function. Additionally, emerging research suggests that dates may have therapeutic effects on liver fibrosis, a condition characterized by the excessive accumulation of scar tissue in the liver. By incorporating dates into your diet, you can enjoy their delicious flavor while actively supporting your liver health, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to promote optimal liver function and overall well-being. Dates are an excellent food choice for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm, largely due to their high potassium content. Potassium is crucial for proper cardiac function, as it helps regulate heartbeats and maintain fluid balance within the body. By ensuring adequate potassium intake, dates can help prevent arrhythmias, which are irregular heartbeats that can lead to serious health issues. Additionally, dates are rich in magnesium, another essential mineral that plays a vital role in muscle relaxation, including the heart muscle. Magnesium helps to stabilize heart rhythm by allowing the heart to contract and relax effectively, promoting overall cardiovascular health. By incorporating dates into your diet, you not only enjoy their natural sweetness, but also support your heart's electrical activity and rhythm. This makes dates a delicious and nutritious option for anyone looking to enhance their heart health and maintain a steady heartbeat. Dates are a powerhouse for enhancing the immune system, thanks to their rich array of vitamins and minerals that fortify immune defenses. They are particularly high in vitamin C, which is essential for the proper functioning of immune cells, and vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in producing antibodies. Additionally, dates contain important minerals like zinc and magnesium, both of which are vital for maintaining a robust immune response. The antioxidants found in dates, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, further protect the body against infections by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. This protective effect is especially beneficial for elderly individuals who often experience a decline in immune function. By incorporating dates into their diet, older adults can boost their immunity, helping to fend off illnesses and infections more effectively. Overall, dates serve as a delicious and nutritious way to support and enhance immune health. Dates are an excellent food choice for preventing anemia, primarily due to their significant iron content, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. Iron plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen throughout the body, and adequate intake is vital for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Additionally, dates contain copper, a mineral that aids in iron absorption, ensuring that the body effectively utilizes the iron consumed. The presence of vitamin C in dates further enhances iron absorption, making it easier for the body to incorporate this vital nutrient. This combination of iron, copper, and vitamin C makes dates particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of anemia, such as pregnant women, vegetarians, and those with certain medical conditions. By incorporating dates into their diet, these individuals can support their red blood cell production and reduce the likelihood of developing anemia, promoting better overall health and vitality. When incorporating dates into your diet, it's essential to consider appropriate serving sizes based on individual needs. For children aged 1 to 3, a serving of 1 to 2 dates per day is suitable, while older children and teenagers can enjoy 2 to 4 dates daily. Adults can typically consume 3 to 6 dates per day, depending on their energy requirements and overall diet. However, individuals with specific health conditions, such as diabetes or those managing weight, should practice moderation due to the high natural sugar content in dates. It's crucial to monitor blood sugar levels and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. For young children, dates can be safely introduced by pureeing them into smoothies, mixing them into oatmeal, or chopping them into small pieces and adding them to yogurt. This ensures they enjoy the nutritional benefits while minimizing choking hazards. While dates offer numerous health benefits, certain individuals should exercise caution when consuming them. People with diabetes need to be particularly mindful due to the high natural sugar content in dates, which can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels. It's essential for these individuals to monitor their intake and consult with healthcare professionals to manage their condition effectively. Additionally, those with fructose intolerance may experience digestive discomfort when consuming dates, as they contain significant amounts of fructose. Dental health is another concern, as the sticky texture of dates can contribute to tooth decay if proper oral hygiene is not maintained. Lastly, individuals on calorie-controlled diets should consume dates in moderation, as they are calorie-dense and can quickly add up in daily caloric intake. By being aware of these considerations, individuals can enjoy dates while minimizing potential risks to their health. Using dates as a sugar substitute is a delicious and healthy option, and making date paste is simple. Start by selecting high-quality, soft medjool dates for the best flavor and texture. Begin by removing the pits from about 1 cup of dates and placing them in a bowl. Soak the dates in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften them further. Drain the water and transfer the dates to a food processor. Blend until smooth, adding a tablespoon of water if necessary to achieve a creamy consistency. This date paste can be used in various recipes, such as smoothies, baked goods, or energy bars, providing natural sweetness without refined sugars. You can also use it as a sweetener in oatmeal or yogurt. By incorporating date paste into your meals, you not only enhance flavor but also boost nutritional value, making it a versatile and wholesome alternative to sugar. In summary, this video highlighted the numerous health benefits of incorporating dates into your diet, including their positive effects on heart health, digestive wellness, immune support, and even skin vitality. Dates are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and natural sugars, making them a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. By spreading the word, you can help others discover the incredible advantages of dates. Additionally, we invite you to explore more health tips and related content available on our channel, where you'll find a wealth of information to support your wellness journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more valuable health insights with you soon.